Welcome back to Coffee and Sawdust. I am Mike. Today's build is this little wooden figurine sculptor. I guess I call it Peace and Love. So I got that idea off of Etsy. I seen a picture. I was like, oh, that's cool. So I clicked on a picture and it was a AI generated picture. So I thought, if AI can do that, so can I. So that's what we're doing. I'm building that sculpture. Sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, in today's build, my materials, scrap wood, 4x4. The length does not matter. I've got 2 threaded rods. These are 1/4 by 20 by 36 inches. The reason why I got these is because my local hardware store did not have the size nails that I wanted. I've got 4 nuts and 4 wing nuts, and then 5-minute epoxy. It bonds metal, wood, glass, ceramic, concrete, stone, china, and fiberglass. Let's get building.
Got a black king glitter, came this very morning. Yeah, black king glitter, came this very morning. Said my baby gone away, and my good luck so gone. Folded that paper, laid it on my bed.
I was debating on the base. I've got this 4x4 fence post looking all rough. That's character. However, I found this in my wood stash. It's an old piece of barn wood, horse stall. And I like this section right here. So I think I'm going to use this.
Folded that paper, laid it on my bed. Every word she wrote me, come my poor heart did. Sun don't shine no more, rain fall through my floor. Sun don't shine no more, rain fall through my floor. Ain't no sound of laughing, just a ghost at my door. I said, Lord, have mercy. Take this pain from me. Yeah, Lord, have mercy. Take this pain from me. If I can't find peace in living, let that river set me free.
Yep, black paint and white.
And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards. She says, hey man, there were just too many days.
Alright, so now all I've got left is to do the 5-minute epoxy and glue all these pieces together. I'm not gonna video that because that's gonna be long and boring, and I'll probably do a lot of cussing. So in a couple of hours, when that is done, I'll be back. Alright guys, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed the build. It was easy. It took a little bit longer than what I expected, but I had fun. I enjoyed doing it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, hit that like button. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And until my next video, you guys keep building.